Get close to him. Are you ready? Follow him. Keep going, keep going. Are you ready? Come on, come on. Alright. Now here. Flip the phone like this.
No, I make dog go crazy.
No. Buster is the one who went crazy, the most crazy. Alright. Let's do
I'm
some.
gonna pick some random one.
Oh, 5 sounds on your dog hate. Should we do that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait.
Alright, ready? Alright, wait, let's flip it this way. Shooter!
Not yet.
Alright, hey. See what he does. Get close to him. He literally just scrunches up in a ball. Alright, let's go do it to butter. Push that. You ready? Alright, let's go. We gotta go.
You.
3, 2, 1, play. Alright, you ready? Alright, now let's play out the second one. Alright, we're giving him some love, so we say sorry. Now. Alright. Come here. Oh, he's getting around you. Trying to rape me. Alright, you ready? Get closer. He's a wussy. Alright, pause it.
Yeah, wash it.
Is it still on number 2?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ew, fun.
Come here. Wait, here, let's pet him. Come here. Buster.
Wash it.
Come here, boo. Gotta get a bit closer.
Wash up one poop.
Yo, watch out for the caca. Come here. Buster, we're sorry. No, not yet. Come here. Oh, we're gonna have to back up a bit. Come here. Sit down, boy. Sit, Buster.
Sit.
Sit down.
Good boy.
Not yet. Good boy, Buster. Oh, booter. You're a good boy. Come on. What's that noise? Animals, howls, and growls. Okay, keep going.
Wash it.
Ow, I stepped on a rock. Oh, he's scared. Let's do Shuta.
Oh, what's back with him?
I know. Don't worry. There's only 2 more. Wait, don't Naruto all out on me yet. Shuta. Sorry. Now.
What did you do?
Another one came over there. Alright. I guess they don't react to that. That one's a negative. He might get mad.
What should I do, cat noise?
Oh, I did that before.
Yeah.
Okay, ready? Cat noise. Noises.
Okay.
That's his nose. Hey, right there. Come here. Wait, pause it first. My boy, my sister to move.
Wait, what did I just do it?
What?
Talk on me.
Cause yours doesn't sound like a real cat. Come here. Shoot that. Go here.
Pet him.
Keep going.